Suzuki, and this is the Ertiga car. Unsa gani na siya, sir?
Automatic.
Automatic?
Mid-bar.
Okay, kani po siya. Okay. And the down payment is 58,000. It's so noisy. This one is 55. So tanan siya, sir, kuan? Automatic. Okay, thank you. So di na ko makita. So these two are automatic and this one is manual. This is their brochure of car right here. XL7, Jimny, and also Swift, Espresso.
The carry
So the carry, how much is the carry?
789,000.
789. And this one, sir?
Desire
Desire.
869,000.
869. How about this XL7, sir?
1,231,000.
1.2, so let's say 1.3. How about the Jimny, sir?
Jimny.
This one is very hot on market because it has four-wheel drive.
1,280,000.
1.380. Okay. So if you're looking for a brand new car, visit Suzuki Dumaguete. So the espresso, sir, espresso, oh my god, espresso.
710,000.
Pila ka na, sir? 710. Okay. But you give discount, right?
Yes.
Okay. Any, sir? This one?
1,039,000.
1.39,000. Okay. This is the XL7. Automatic. This is for a family car. This is. So, sir. And it's more spacious at the back as well because you can fold the chairs and you can sleep inside if you go camping. This is a good one as well. And okay. Ano siya camera sa okay. Back camera. Okay, sir. So this one you can fold it like that when you are planning on camping or visiting a family and you want to stay in your car. This is the bags, right? Oh, my sorry. Yeah, you can put something here. Yeah, for your luggage. This is cool. Sorry, sir. Ako may guba. So this is the front.
The DRL.
Okay.
DRL, the LED screen.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Jimny is in demand right now, sir, right? And also espresso.
Yes.
And how many percent you can give for the espresso discount?
32.
32%. And in Jimny, do you give a discount? No discount.
Order basis.
Oh, okay. So how many months you can get the Jimny before?
3 to 6.
3 to 6 months. Okay. Thank you, kayo, sir. Thank you so much. So this is the prices of the car that they deal here in Suzuki Auto Dumaguete City. Napadyo music, uy.